Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Oz for Beginners easy method. Create a free AWS account, enable MFA, and explore the management console. Start with AWS free tier services like EC2, S3, and Lambda to practice real deployments. Follow a hands-on project such as hosting a static site, then add a serverless API. Read docs, try tutorials, and join a community today. Begin with core AWS concepts: compute, storage, networking, and identity while using hands-on labs. Study EC2, S3, VPC, EM, and RDS in simple tutorials to build familiarity. Combine these services in a practice project to see how components interact. Learn security basics, cost controls, and monitoring with CloudWatch as you progress. Keep short milestones and repeat exercises to reinforce skills and confidence. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy clean drives between study sessions, try Little Tree's Black Ice Air freshener in your car for a crisp scent. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more AWS tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up easily. It slips into cup holders and lasts for weeks, making commutes more pleasant and focused. Now let's get back to the video. Use structured learning paths, online courses, and interactive labs to stay focused and practical. Prioritize hands-on practice over passive watching and start small projects you can finish. Track progress with milestones such as deploying a website, creating a database, and automating backups. Practice troubleshooting by intentionally breaking setups and fixing them. Keep concise notes and reusable scripts to speed up future projects and interviews.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.